Can you win over your audience? Let's see if you can master the art of presentation. You step up to the stage, knowing the first few moments will set the tone for your presentation. How do you begin your speech to immediately capture the audience's attention and establish credibility? Start with a well-rehearsed introduction, mentioning your qualifications and expertise. Or begin with a surprising fact that challenges a common belief. The correct answer is B. A surprising fact grabs attention right away and makes the audience curious, creating a strong connection from the start. It sets an engaging tone for the rest of the talk. As you move into the core of your presentation, you notice you've been standing still, and the audience seems to be losing interest. You realize that your hand gestures could play a big part in refocusing their attention. How do you use hand gestures to enhance your delivery and keep the audience engaged? Use large, sweeping gestures for every point to keep the presentation lively, even if it's a bit distracting. Or use purposeful, smaller gestures that match your key points, emphasizing important ideas naturally and effectively. The correct answer is B. Purposeful gestures help reinforce your message without overpowering it. They make your presentation feel more dynamic while keeping the audience's attention focused on what you're saying. You are midway through your presentation. What's another way to regain and maintain the audience's focus without getting nervous? Do you scan the crowd and make eye contact with different people in the room, or keep your eyes above the audience, not looking at anyone directly? The correct answer is A. Eye contact builds rapport and engagement. When you look at people in different parts of the room, it keeps them involved and shows you're paying attention to them as much as they are to you. You notice a couple of people in the audience distracted and checking their phones. How do you handle the distractions without losing control of the room? Acknowledge the distraction lightly with a joke or comment, then shift the focus back to your presentation with renewed energy. Or ignore the distractions and keep pushing forward, hoping the audience will refocus on their own. The correct answer is A. Acknowledging the distraction in a lighthearted way shows confidence and control. It resets the room, refocusing the audience while maintaining a positive, engaging atmosphere. You reach the end of your presentation. How do you conclude it to leave a lasting impression? End with a simple thank you and a quick goodbye, wrapping things up neatly. Or close with a memorable statement or call to action that reinforces your main message and leaves the audience thinking. The correct answer is B. A strong closing statement or call to action ensures your message sticks with the audience. It leaves them with something to think about or act on, making your presentation more impactful and memorable. Mastering these nonverbal cues can make every presentation powerful and memorable. Keep practicing to win over any audience with your public speaking.